This is the WLRH radio reading service on 89.3 HD3 News Talk. I'm Sayuri Beltran with David Graham. Stardate is coming up in about 10 minutes. But first, here's this week's weather. Today, the high will be 69 and the low 55. It will be cloudy with a 20% chance of rain. Friday, October 2nd, the high is 62, low is 52. It will also be cloudy with a 20% chance of rain. Saturday, the high is 63, the low is 53. There's a 40% chance of afternoon showers. On Sunday, October 4th, the high is 74, the low is 56, with a 40% chance of morning showers. On Monday, October 5th, the high is 75, the low is 56, with a 10% chance of rain and partly cloudy weather. Another article from the Huntsville Times business section is that a proposed technology business incubator at the University of Alabama in Huntsville is now possible thanks to a nearly $3 million grant from the U.S. Economic Development Administration. The $10 million Invention to Innovation Center, known as I2C, at UAH will support inventors, entrepreneurs, high-tech companies, and partners in a 15-county region with physical facilities, activities, and services. Quote, the funding of this initiative by the Economic Development Administration is important to stimulate the growth of new and existing high-tech companies and to catalyze formation of a resilient entrepreneurial ecosystem in the greater Huntsville area, says UAH President Robert Altenkirk. The grant covers about 30% of the costs of the 45,000 square foot facility to be connected to UAH's Business Administration Building. Ray Garner, the Chief Staff and Director of Community Relations at UAH, said the institution is seeking additional federal funding for the project, which has received a separate $1.5 million state award. Garner said a construction timeline will not be established until funding is in place. He says, quote, it is our wish to construct it as soon as possible, end quote. U.S. Secretary of Commerce Penny Pritzker said that the I2C will support the area's automotive cluster and other emerging clusters to create jobs and spur private investment in the state. Quote, as America's innovation agency, the Commerce Department works to create the conditions for our entrepreneurs, companies, and communities to thrive, Pritzker said. Quote, the EDA investment announced today will cultivate innovation in Alabama, helping to make the region more globally competitive, end quote.